Hey, it's Neil, and I'm in the office today. Check out this irrigation timer I have here. This is really cool. So I got this so it can turn on the watering for my raised garden. So let's check out and see what it all comes with and how it all works. So let's see what we got. So this is the box. First of all, it says irrigation timer, and this is the information. I guess the model is SWG06. Where does it say the brand? I don't know. Here's the barcode for it. So if you need one, you can look at that one. But let's see what we got in the box. So let's take out all the pieces and parts. I'm just going to stick them all over here while we go through it. So the box is empty. And okay, we have a instruction manual here. So there is that. Kind of explains how to set it up. I see in here all the different parts, the screen, the dial, whatever. Let's look at it and see how it looks. So this is it here. So this is how it looks. So it'll screw into your spigot right there, into your faucet. And then you've got the two areas here. I wonder if it has two separate zones. I guess so. I guess it's got zone 1 and zone 2. It's kind of cool. So you have two separate ones. And then we also get here these little, looks like the little quick connect things here. So this is, so we got a little gasket and some Teflon tape, and then we have this part. Oops, these two little components here. So one of this will screw into here, so it'll give you a quick connect, and then this, I guess, will be for the other part of the hose to connect it up into there somehow. I maybe have to have the other end of it, the quick connect, to make it work. I don't know. We'll see later. But that's it. But otherwise, I would just screw the hose onto it there and make it work. Let's see what we got in the back here. This is where I guess the batteries will go. See if we can open this up. There we go. It takes 4 AA batteries. So let me go see if I can find 4 AA's. And then we can give it a try. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I found the batteries. I've got 4 batteries. So let's stick them in and see what happens. It's a kind of heavy device. Guess it's got some stuff going on inside of it. Okay, those are in. And you can see this, the cover has like a little rubber gasket around it. So I guess that's how it seals it up. So it's sealed for the water. So here we go. And then here we go. We have the now time. So we can set the time. So it's set, let's see if I go to set clock. So now we can set the clock. And I don't even know what time it is. Oh, can you guys see what's happening? It is 9:24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. And then oh, 9:24. Okay, so there we've set the clock at 9:24. And now let's just say our start time. If we want to start it at, I want to start it at 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock. And for how long? I will say I want to go, oops, I don't want to go for an hour. I want to go for 3 minutes. So if I'm just watering my plants, I just want to spritz them. So 3 minutes. And then how often? I will say every 1 hour. No. Let's see what others. Sorry. See, then we also have zone 1 and zone 2. So I'm doing zone 1 right now. So that would be, I guess, this one. So you can set all these things individually. So let's see if I want to say, I don't want to do it every hour. Let's see, how do I change this? Every one. Let's see if I just go increase it. Maybe it'll go to days. Oh yeah, there's days. So there we'll say every 1 day. So we'll do that every day. And then we have start time, set clock, how long, how often, and then auto. And there we go. And then it's set. So it's pretty simple to set. And so now it'll go for, what did I say, 3 minutes at 10 o'clock. And right now it is 9:26 and it is off. It's not going currently. See, it says 10 o'clock it's gonna go. And it is currently off. So that's pretty cool, pretty easy to set. And then I guess when it goes, it'll just turn itself on and start going. I don't know how long the batteries last or any of that kind of stuff yet because I haven't done it. But as far as ease of setting it up and everything, I'm gonna say this is super easy. You saw I've only been doing it for 2 minutes since I put the battery in. So very easy to set up, very easy to use. And I'm gonna go and plug it in and run some hoses and see how it goes. I only need the single zone, so that's why I only did the one zone. But any questions, you can probably ask away and stuff. Thumbs up for me, like this video, subscribe to my channel, links in the description. Thanks, bye.